Question number 13 is about writing something in the form of 1 to n. Sounds confusing, but it's only 1 mark, so it's actually a pretty simple thing to be able to do. The problem in this question is that we've got different units. We've got 20 minutes and we've got 1 hour. Very easy to convert 1 hour into minutes though, so let's do that first. It's going to be 20 minutes to 60 minutes. Let's just remind ourselves that that's in minutes. Okay, that's not important when you write that, but it's just for your benefit. And then you can see that we can simplify this ratio down. So if we divide both numbers by 10, we're going to get 2 to 6. And then if we divide both numbers by 2, we're going to get 1 to 3. So now we've got it in the form of 1 on the left-hand side of the ratio. We're matching what they want us to represent, and so the n must be the 3. So that's our answer. Part B. We've got a scale on a map and it's 1 to 25,000. That means for every 1 centimetre on the map, there are 25,000 centimetres in reality, in the real world. We need to work out how many kilometres on the ground is represented by 6 centimetres on the map. So this is a calculator paper. The process to start with is to write the ratio down, 1 to 25,000. And then multiply by 6. If we multiply by 6, we're getting 6 centimetres on the map. And if we multiply 25,000 by 6, we can use our calculator. 25,000 times by 6 gives us 150,000. So 150,000. That means that 6 centimetres on the map is 150,000 centimetres on the ground in reality. Well, we need to give our answer in kilometres. And to do that, we have to convert this number of 150,000 centimetres into kilometres. Now to do that, you could think of it in 2 steps. You could think of it turning it into metres. So if we turn it into metres, we divide by 100 because there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. So divide by 100, we've got 1,500 metres. And then we can convert that into kilometres by dividing by 1,000 because there are 1,000 metres in a kilometre. So bits of knowledge you have to have in order to be able to do that. And that would be think about a decimal place being at the end, move it back 3 spaces, 1.5 kilometres. And we've got the answer in the form that we're asked to put the answer in. So 1.5 is the answer for 3 marks. Part C, we're still in the world of ratio, but this time we're having to turn the ratio into a fraction. Pretty simple, turning a ratio into a fraction. Thinking about what a fraction represents, the bottom number is what it's out of, the total. And what a ratio represents, if you added both the numbers together, you would get the total. So if you add 6 and 7, you get 13. So the fraction, the bottom of our fraction, is 13. That's because I did 6 plus 7, added the ratio numbers together. And then you've got to work out what fraction of the sweets Kiri receives. Well, Kiri's the first name, so she's the first number. And you write down 6 on top of your fraction. And that's how easy it is to turn ratios into fractions. 6 over 13.